Why Bitcoin became so influential on the stock exchange plus digital marketing. Discover how to make money with Bitcoin on the stock exchange. In this blog, we will explore the best strategies for investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange. You'll be excited to discover how this revolutionary cryptocurrency can yield big profits and how you can start investing today. Learn how to take advantage of market fluctuations to maximize your Bitcoin investment. If you are looking for an exciting and profitable way to invest, look no further. We will teach you how to identify Bitcoin market fluctuations and make the most of them. Get ready to feel excited as we dive into the strategies that can help you make exponential profits. Tips and tricks to become an expert in investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange. If you want to dominate the Bitcoin market on the stock exchange, this blog is for you. We offer exclusive tips and tricks to help you become an expert in Bitcoin investing. Feel excited as you learn tried and true strategies that can lead you to financial success. Discover the advantages of investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange and how to get started today. The time has come to discover how investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange can change your financial life. This blog will show you all the incredible advantages of investing in Bitcoin and how you can take the first step towards building your portfolio. Get ready to feel excited and motivated to invest. Tips for minimizing risk and maximizing profits when investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange. Investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange may seem exciting, but it can also involve risks. In this blog, we will explore effective tips for minimizing these risks and maximizing your profits. Get excited as you discover how to make smart investment decisions and manage your portfolio successfully. The definitive guide to investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange like a pro. If you are ready to take a professional approach to investing in Bitcoin on the stock market, this blog is for you. Ready to get excited? Let's explore advanced strategies, essential tools, and expert tips to help you become a successful Bitcoin investor. Thank you, guys.